One of the biggest names in business is back to trading following a long hiatus. Billionaire hedge fund founder and philanthropist George Soros is making a series of big bearish investments. WSJ's Greg Zuckerman wrote today's Page One story on this, and Wall Street Journal news editor Geoffrey Rogow joins us now to discuss. Hi, Jeff. Thanks for being here. So what's known about why Soros has chosen to come back now? Yeah, I mean, ultimately, Mr. Soros, when he sees what he views are trades of a lifetime, he puts down his philanthropist hat, he puts down his political hat and says, all right, I'm pushing everyone away and I'm making the trade. Because he's no longer been running his fund for a while, correct? He doesn't run his fund. It's run by a consortium of people. It's still his money. It's not outside investors. It's his money. And he viewed this during the housing crisis in 2007. He made very big bearish bets in the housing market, made $1 billion on those bets. He's seeing what he thinks is a similar opportunity now. He's making very bearish bets, and he's doing it himself. And what are those bets? All right, so his two big bets are he's betting on gold. And this is something that when you think that the world's going to end, you buy a lot of gold. And the second thing he's doing is a big bearish bet on China. We know the Chinese economy is slowing down, but he views that as being very big structural issues in the Chinese economy, and those issues are going to take down Chinese stock market and other parts of the world that are tied to Chinese growth. He's known for being bearish in general, though, isn't he? Absolutely. I mean, he's not he's famous for two very concrete examples of bearishness. One is he's credited as being the man who took down the Bank of England, and this was a very bearish bet on the pound. And he also did a similar bet in Asia. This is his first bearish bet on Asia. He was one of the men who's credited with some series of bearish bets in Southeast Asia, specifically on the Thai baht, that led to the 1997 Asia crisis. Right. That said, he denies some of, and I think part of the reason he has this view is he's become political in that part of the world. Right. The Thai leader at that time blamed him for the entire Asia financial crisis. And he is 85 years old. What has he been focusing on up to this point since he retired? Most lately, he's been focusing on getting Hillary elected president. Well, I guess so far he's been doing a good job with that. He's also had a lot of philanthropy that he's been supporting as well, correct? Oh, absolutely. Everything from medical research to impoverished parts of the world and trying to get them more money, trying to help raise the minimum wage in some parts of the world. Has he commented on the current U.S. bull market at all? Yeah, so this is a part of it. He believes that the Chinese market is so bad it's going to take down the U.S. stock market with it. And he's made we actually don't know what bets he's made in the U.S., but we know they have been bearish on the future of the U.S. stock market. All right. Jeff Rogow, thank you so much for all of that. Great to see you.